Hello everybody, myself Nidhi Joshi, and in today's session I am going to discuss about what is a 2-3 tree as well as what is a B tree. So, so in my session first I will be discussing what is 2-3 tree and how we are going to create that tree by considering some example, and after that we'll see like what is a B tree. So first see what is a 2-3 tree. So it is a type of B tree in which every node has either 2 or 3 children except the leaf node. We'll see what are the properties of 2-3 tree. First property is every internal node must have either 2 or 3 children. Second, all the leaf node must be on the same level. And the third property, the data in each node must be in a sorted order, either in the increasing order or decreasing order. So here generally we are going for the increasing order, that is the sorted order. So let us consider one example. This is the root node. The internal node must have either 2 or 3 child node, and all the leaf node must be on the same level, either having 2 or 3 children node. So here how many roots are there? 2 roots are there. So that is giving a particularly value like where it will lie. So 3 children nodes are there, here 2 child nodes are there, and this is the root node, and all the leaf node are on the same level. As well as like I was talking about the data should be the sorted order. If we are having here the root node is 13, so the left child node is having the value lesser than the 13, and the right child value is having the value greater than 13. Here also, like here we have the 2 root node, so here it is the this root node value, the data are in the sorted order. So we'll understand this concept more clearly by considering one problem. So the problem says that the creation of 2 cross 3 tree by inserting the node. For the creation of 2-3 tree, consider the following string. So first step, like we'll insert the first element 58, and this element we are considering as the root node. Yes, and the second what we are doing, we are inserting 15. So 15 is lesser than 58, so the data is arranged in the sorted order. So the next element is 82. So if we seeing 15, 58, 82, so like it will split at the node 58. So 58 is the middle, it's like the center element among this three. So it will split at the node 58. So the left child node is 15 and the right child node is 82. Next we'll see, we are inserting the element 36. So if we are comparing with the root node, 36 is smaller, so it is the left child node. So if one important point is there, if the new node or the element that we are inserting, then it will append at the leaf node. It will append at the leaf node. We are comparing with the root element, but it will append at the leaf node. So next is 23. So if 23 comes, then that time will come in as a left child. So 15, 23 and 36. So upon inserting the 23 at the leaf node on the right hand side, so this node will split and 23 will comes in the at the root node position. So here in the root node, the 3 child nodes are there. At max, the binary tree is having 2 or 3 child node. So here the 3 child nodes are there. First is 15, second is 36, and the third one is 82. After that we are inserting 64. So upon inserting 64, it will comes in at this place. So 64, 82. Here the you should clearly look at this point. Here the data always it is arranging in a sorted order. And next element that we have to insert is 27. So up to the 27, that will comes in the middle of this. The next after that we are going to insert the next element, that is 35. So if we are appending the 35 at the leaf node, here the element that we are getting is 27, 35 and 36. So 36 will go in the go in the at the root node place. So in the root node place, the 2 parent node is already there. So that is 23, 35 and 58. So here once again one more split is there. So 35 is the root node, 23 and 68 are the 23 and 58 are the left and the right child respectively, and the 15, 27 and 36, 64 and 82. These are the nodes that are arranged in this way. Next we'll see the last element that we need to insert is 45. So 45 will come here. So this is the required 2,3 binary tree or 2,3 B tree. Here the data is arranged in a sorted order. If we see here, the data is like 15, 23, 27, 35, 36, 45, 58, 64, 82. So the non-leaf nodes are at the same level. That is not the non-leaf. This is the leaf node. The leaf node are those nodes, they are not having any further child node. So this node 5, 27, 36, 64, 82 all are at the same level, and the non-leaf node are not having any child node. So now let us see what is a B node. It is a specialized multi-way tree that is used to store the record in a disk. If there are a number of the subtree to each node, so that the height of the tree is relatively small. The main goal of B tree is to get fast access of the data, as well as we are going for the multi-way search tree. So the multi-way search tree is a search tree of order M, is an order tree where each node has at most m children. If there are n number of children in a node, then n minus 1 is the number of the key in the node. So here the tree is of the order 4. Order 4, that means the 4 child node are there. So if you are talking about the number of the children in a node is 4, then n minus 1 is the total number of keys in the node. So that we are calling is the key. 3 keys are there, 1, 2, 3. So some more points are there related to multi-way search key or M search key. The node which has n children node possesses n minus 1 key. So that point just now I had discussed. The key in each node are in ascending order, that is in the increasing order or in the sorted order. For every node, child 0 has only key which are less than node key 0. Similarly, node child 1 has only one key which are greater than node 0. Suppose if a node is at level 1 that point I will discuss when I will be creating the tree. So let us see the B tree of order M be constructed such that all the leaf nodes are on the bottom level and the root node should have at least two children node. And lastly, all the internal node except the root node have at least m by 2 cell non-empty children. So the cell is a function such that cell is equals to this thing. So each leaf node must contain at least cell m by 2 minus 1 keys. So let us see like one problem so that the B tree, the multi-way search key will be more clear, and how we are creating for the order different for the different order. So construct a binary tree of order m for the following number. This is the list that we are having. So the 5 order, what it means, that is showing a degree. That means the 5 childrens are there and at most 4 key. So how we are getting the key? If the child is 5, that is child is 5, that is n, and how many keys are there? N minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, 4 keys are allowed. The internal node should have at least 3 non-empty children and each leaf node must contain at least 2 keys. So first what we are doing? We are inserting the first 4 elements 3, 14, 7, 8. So one by one we are inserting the element. So after inserting the element, we got the tree like this, 5 children nodes. Next we are inserting the next element, that is 8. So 1, 3, 7, 8, 14. So it will split at 7. So left child, right child. After that next element that we are inserting is 5, that will come in the at the leaf node place, at the leaf node place. So 1, 3, 5, 8, 14. So after inserting 11, the node will be like this. Next we are inserting the element 17. So after inserting 17, the tree will be like this. Next we are inserting the element 13. So the 13 will come, if we see like 8, 11, 14, 17. So it will come here first, here only. So here 8, 11, 13, 14, 17. So it will split at 13. So this 13 key will come at the root node place. So here we are having the 3 child node. Next we are inserting the element 6. So after inserting the element, the tree will look like this. Next element that we are inserting is 23. After inserting 23, the tree will be like this. Next we are inserting the element 12. Next is 20. After that, next element that we are inserting is 26. So if we are inserting 26, that will come at this place. So the elements are 14, 17, 20, 23, 26. So it will split at 20 and the key 20 will come at the root node. So after this, the tree will look like this. Next element that we are inserting is 4. So if we are inserting 4, the list will be like this: 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will split at 4. So the key element, that is the 4, that will come at the root node. So next element that we are inserting is 16. Next is 18. After that, next element that we are inserting is 24. And the next element that we are inserting is 25. And the last one is the 19. So if we are inserting 19, 19 will come here. So from the list 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it will split at 17. So it will split at 17. So here the list is like this: 4, 7, 13, 17, 20. So once again it will split at 13. So splitting at 13, it's having the 2 child node: 4, 7, 17, 20, 4, 7, 17, 20, and like this. So this is the required tree of the given problem. So if we are going to delete a node from the binary tree, so that node can be a leaf node. Second one is that node can be the internal node, that is a non-leaf node, and we can delete the internal node, that is the internal node, that is the leaf node, if node causes the node with only one key. Then in that case the sibling node to immediate right has an extra key. In such a case we borrow a key from the parent and some spare key of the sibling that we are using, that we are appending. So as well as other than the insertion, we can perform the deletion operation, we can perform the searching operation, that is the searching operation. So searching is nothing but like searching between the left and the right child, as in the binary tree. The binary tree makes an n-way choice. The running time of the search operation depend upon the height of the tree. It requires the order of log n. So the running time, that is the time complexity of m-way searches of the order of log n. So this is one more example, like for the practice how we can draw a B tree by inserting the following element. So at max we can keep the 5 children. So we are having the element 10 to 61, 25, 18, 16 and 35. So the required tree after this is like this. So I had given one more like caution, like sometimes the caution will come in a very twist and turn manner, like so we have to create a B tree for the following list of the element. This is the list of the element. Given the minimization factor I is equals to 3, minimum degree is 2 and maximum degree is 5. So maximum here the 5 children, maximum degree is given, the 5 children are allowed. So like simply we have to construct the tree after appending one element at a time, and like we are getting the tree like this. So at last the required binary tree for the given data set is like this only. So that is once again the same problem. Construct a tree of the order like this. So here like one important thing, we have to delete the element. So if we are performing the deletion operation, we have to delete one element at a time. So first what we did, we had constructed the binary tree, so this is the required binary tree of maximum degree of 5. So next we are deleting the node n. So where the node 8 is there, so first what we are doing, we are deleting the node 8 from the given tree. So the node 8 that we are deleting, the node 8 that we are deleting, that is the leaf node, So the node 8 is here, that is the leaf node. It is easy, like simply we have to change the pointer value. So the second one is, the second node that we need to delete is the node 18. So the 18 is, the node 18 is here, that is here. So if we have to delete the node, then that time, so first what we are doing, like we are appending the successor of the node here, and at this place, at the key value, this key is appended here and the node 18 is deleted. In the same way we can delete the node, the remaining node from the list also. So let us see if we are deleting the node 4. So we can delete the node 4 from this place. So in my session, first I had discussed what is a 2 cross 3 tree. We have seen like the B tree can have 2 or 3 children. How we can create the tree? How we can create the tree, especially the splitting part. After that, I had discussed what is a binary tree and multi-way search tree. Of a maximum degree, we have seen is of the maximum order of 5 or maximum degree of 5. After that, we have seen in the multi-way search tree we can perform the insertion operation, deletion operation and the searching operation, and the time complexity is of the order of log n. In case if you are having any problem, just let me know. Thank you.